Hello everyone and welcome to my first video tutorial series on cleaning. Today we'll be looking at how to look after your electronic components, starting with your keyboard. This will take a little effort, with more of this time being spent on repeated activities. Keep in mind while watching this video to have a camera or a phone on hand so that you may take a picture of your keyboard before pulling it apart. Alternatively, you can look up your model online. It is also important to note that I am only one person and this video is purely for demonstrational purposes. I will not be held responsible for any damage done to your devices. For this project you will need tissues or something to dry with, hand sanitizer, a keycap remover or a soft paper clip, and a Q-tip or something that can get into the crevices. Now that that's out of the way, let's get into it. There are many reasons why you'll want to clean your keyboard, but the main issue is hygiene. As you can see by my visual and 100% accurate demonstration, the more that you handle your keyboard through typing and other actions, the more bacteria and filth will spread. I'm going to start by unplugging the keyboard from my computer. Then I return and start removing each individual keycap from the mechanical keyboard. This allows us to get behind the caps and clean the keyboard properly, preventing damage. If you do not own a keycap removal tool like me, you may make one out of a soft paper clip as to not damage the plastic caps. This is how you remove a keycap, making note to go for the corners and pull with equal force across it. For the other keys, they will have a C-clip. You may want to remove them by wiggling left and right and then carefully pulling on them. Once done, repeat this step over and over till you have all the keycaps off. Is now a good time to remind you should have taken that photo? Well, now that we have all the keycaps removed, let's mix the solution. This is a 1 part hand sanitizer to 3 parts water. This is more resource friendly than using straight hand sanitizer and allows the keycaps to be cleaned at once and equally. The alcohol in the hand sanitizer will be enough to clean but not strip the caps, while also helping the water to evaporate. After this is done, begin soaking the keycaps in a bowl or cup, making sure that they're completely submerged. And if this can't be done, mix them and repeat this a few times. A tumble motion will help loosen any debris trapped. After they've had time to soak and clean, put them on any towel and allow them to dry. Shaking them helps remove any water that is trapped in the rigid shapes. Now that they are drying, start by working on the keyboard. If you do multiple keyboards, don't be afraid to reuse the solution made previously. Apply lightly to the hard plastic while avoiding electricals. Since I'm only doing one keyboard, I will be using straight hand sanitizer. This dries a lot faster and leaves little to none residue behind. If I was doing this for myself, I'd be using the non-moisturized variety. However, I know this hand sanitizer will not damage my plastic. If you are unsure, rub a small test patch on an unseen surface so that you can monitor the results. After scrubbing and scrubbing, you should see an almost perfectly clean keyboard. Here's a comparison from before. Much better. At this point you can take a break. Coming back and checking the keycaps shows that the keycaps have dried and we can start the assembly process. All except for the longer ones will snap in place, the rest require you a bit of tricking. Like shown here, just repeat for the C-clips. Now simply clean any additional parts for your keyboard and plug it back in. And there you have it. Thanks everyone for joining me in this video, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you wish to see more of these videos in the near future, hit the like button, and thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.